circumstances which mitigate criminal liability. Article 13. Mitigating circumstances. The following are mitigating circumstances. 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisites are necessarily to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the prospective cases are not attendant. That the offender 2. That the offender is under 18 years or over 70 years old. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceeded against the accordance with the provision of Article 80. Third, that the offender had no intention to commit so grave wrongs as that committed. Fourth, that sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. Fifth, that act was committed in the vindication of grave offense, the one committing the felony for such his spouse, ascendants, relatives by affinity within the same degrees. 6. That of having acted upon an impulse too powerful as naturally to have produced passion or obfuscation. 7. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to the person in authority of his agents, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of evidence for prosecution. 8. That the offender is dumb and deaf, blind, or suffering some physical defect which thus resists his means of action, defense, or communications. 9. Such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without depriving him. Lastly, 10. And finally, other circumstances of a similar and analogous to those above mentioned.